Okay, so for today's project, we are going to take some canvas and make a tool roll. I am not great at sewing, but I can kind of sew. And I'm not willing to pay a bunch for a tool roll because it seems simple in my head. This might be another thing where halfway through I realize it is not as simple as I thought, but we're gonna find out. Ooh. Listen, you guys should let me know whether or not you prefer a bunch of talking or less talking. So, we figure out. How far up? Is that enough handle? That seems like plenty of handle sticking out. Really need to get a little remote for this guy. Alright, here's all of my chisels. And then we want to add a little bit of extra space. So we'll go down to here. Now, ideally, I would lay this out and mark things and do all the correct stuff, but I find that in general, I stop sewing if it becomes too difficult or like too time consuming. And I would rather be sewing and have it look kind of janky than not be sewing. So there is our initial tool roll. And we are going to mark out where we want some of these things. So we're going to go up to there. And we're going to go up to there. And we'll sew those. And we'll unfold it. And then we'll be able to, okay, I should go through and do a hem. Yeah, we should do that to provide a little bit more structure, I think. Let's go. Crack open the world's jankiest sewing table. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go through and sew in a hem to fortify the top and the mouth a little bit. Not going for any specific amount, just eyeballing it. now we get to birth the bag. So all we're doing is inverting it to put our seams on the inside. I may have done this horribly wrong, but we will find out. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah. You see, now we got that hem here at the top. I guess you can't really see that. This is horrible for contrast. Now we get to go through and decide how large each pocket is going to be. I guess we are going to go through and hem this so that the top of our pouch looks a little bit better. So let's do that. Whoa. Is that line even kind of straight? No! That's okay. Let's grab some chisels and sort out where we want it. Okay, we got most of our wax melted, got our tool roll. Let's wax it. Okay, so we've got our waxed roll. Let's throw our chisels in here and see how it does. I do worry that our chisels might be a little too sharp. Oh no! Okay, so we did have one chisel decide that it could not be contained. We are going to shift this over and hope that doesn't happen again. Oh, there we go.